A man gets scammed out of his $25,000 Jeep. Then he learns insurance won't cover the loss. The I-Team's Cynthia Gould with a cautionary tale about online sales.
Wesley Sharp advertised his Jeep Wrangler on Facebook Marketplace. Sales price $25,000. A buyer from Tennessee interested.
Said that he got off work later during the week, but would drive down from Nashville to possibly purchase the Jeep, test drive it, see it. We met in a public area where I knew that there were cameras around in case something happened. But he was super nice. He got out, shook my hand, told me the story of why he was buying, why he wanted to purchase, and test drove it.
Sold on the spot, a cashier's check for payment. Sharp deposited it the next day, but 3 days later, the bank called. That cashier's check appearing to come from a real credit union in Nashville, no good.
So hindsight's 20/20, like I said. What do you wish you'd have done differently?
Well, I think for anybody who is selling anything at a large amount, I would say always meet at the bank to verify funds.
Sharp filed a police report, as did others, identifying suspect Katwain Meredith from a lineup. He's not been arrested.
I was one of at least a half a dozen folks, maybe even more, that basically were part of a theft ring. See, the vehicle that he arrived in to take my vehicle, he had stolen an hour and a half before.
Sharp filed a claim with his insurance, Allstate.
It was right before Christmas. I felt like when I got a phone call from the insurance, my heart just kind of sunk into my stomach, like, oh no, they're not going to do anything.
In its denial letter, Allstate said Sharp was in a sales agreement and sold the Jeep Wrangler. The policy excludes loss due to conversion or embezzlement by any person who has the vehicle due to any rental, lease, lien, or sales agreement. Sharp has had to continue to make payments on the Jeep, or his credit will take a hit.
I have 3 payments left, and so I'll actually have the title in my hand in March of this year, showing again that I still own the vehicle.
Sharp says he thought he was in good hands with Allstate, a customer for 8+ years.
You're angry because what did I pay all this money for an insurance to not do anything for me?
It's a tough lesson. Some advice Trussville police gave to Sharp: let them help you with online sales, running IDs and car tags to be sure a buyer is legit. Meet at the bank to verify cash or a cashier's check is valid. Sharp has since filed a civil lawsuit against Allstate.
Not to have anything was a major disappointment. Anything at this point. I've lost a vehicle, I've lost a lot of money. I'll take anything just to move on, be able to put this behind me.
Allstate told us that claim was denied according to the policy. One positive note in all of this: someone heard about Sharp's plight and offered a vehicle, a very much needed gift. Brenda?